Having a pet is a big responsibility and it is not to be taken lightly. However, in our world today we find two types of owners of pets. One is the owner that takes better care of his or her pet than they do of themselves. Now, even though it is great that they really do care for their pet, they ought to take better care of themselves. But that is a totally different topic. The other type of pet owner is the one that ought to have signed an animal health insurance policy in order to cover the costs of pet medicine. Unfortunately, the lack of care for their pet is actually what makes them require the health insurance and medicine coverage in the first place. If you do not care for your pet animal, you will eventually find that it will grow ill because of either lack of nutrients or malnutrition. One is no better than the other, and both will eventually lead to sickness in one form or another. When the pet animal becomes sick and needs medical attention, the owner will often not want to pay for the medical bills. This is where an animal health insurance with pet medicine coverage would come in handy. But at that point in time, it is too late to get insurance coverage. Most pet insurance companies won't set up insurance for pets with existing conditions, and if you're able to find a company that will, you can be sure that they'll charge you an arm and a leg for the coverage. Animal health insurance is something that you'll need to buy before anything bad happens. The medicine costs are often not even the most expensive part of pet animal treatment. If the pet is injured and needs surgery, you will only have a few options if you're not covered by insurance. The first is to not have your pet undergo surgery, which isn't really an option if you care for it. The other option is to dig deep into your pocket and somehow come up with the often large amounts of surgical operation costs.